You put the focus on women power, on the woman vote. Are you confident of that coming in the Telugu Desam Party's way?
Yes, surely the women have seen with their own eyes the development that Telugu Desam government has done and what the present government has done. I am very, very sure that the women will come forward because they have suffered a lot this 5 years. So I'm sure they will come and vote for TD.
You've been a very strong voice in the last 1 year. You've also seen a lot of challenges with Naidu Garu going behind bars as well. Was that a very challenging period for you? You really stepped up also as a leader. You were leading several dharnas. What was that like?
It was quite, I'll never forget those 53 days because it was the first time I stepped out because I just take care of my business and I do a lot of services to people through NTR Trust. I used to just get into those two organizations and that was the first time I stepped out as a public person into, you call it politics or whatever it is for the people cause. For our Telugu Desam cadre, I had taken up because my husband wanted me to go and give the confidence to the party people that we are there for him. So I did. Initially, it was quite a terrible period because I was in no state of mind. Because I know how Chandrababu Naidu Garu worked for the people. He never thought of corruption at all. And that's why I am very proud as a family we are able to stand in public where no one can question us about whether we did corruption or not. They know better than us. So, and more than that, the people, the Telugu Desam cadre had given me the confidence to go forward and I have seen with my own eyes how much they have suffered with this government. It is unimaginable. You know, usually we sit in the rooms and we talk about people being suffered, but you'll realize it only once when you're on the road or on the place. You see it with your own eyes. You will know the reality that's going around us.
You have such a connect with the women voter. You speak so amazingly well. You've now seen what it's like to lead a campaign. Why aren't you in electoral politics, man, this time?
No, I never thought of it, nor I'm thinking of it. I'm sure I'll do a lot of service for the women because they are suffering a lot. So I'm fine with what I'm doing. That's it.
And how hectic has the schedule been for you, for Chandrababu Naidu Garu, for your son as well, for Nara Lokesh? The family must be spread across Andhra right now.
Yes, from past 11 months or a year, we have really suffered a lot. But at the end, I feel, yes, we are the people for the people. So we have to stand for them and it's fine. There are difficult times. We don't get time to see each other. I'm sure you all won't believe it, but hardly I speak to my husband for 10 minutes a day and I just allow him. I myself tell him we'll just disconnect because he has a hectic schedule ahead. So yeah, we are fine with it because we are doing for the people. At the end of the day, we are very happy that what we are doing for the people is being recognized. That's the only thing we accept from the people, the respect. That is what the family lives for.